Hello everyone, welcome to Have a Good Life channel. Today we are going to make a really nice spaghetti with a Portuguese taste. I'm talking about Bulhão Pato. If you are Portuguese, certainly you know. We are going to make a really nice spaghetti with some seaweed and all these flavors and that we are used to use in Portugal. I hope you enjoy. It's very good and easy to make. Come with me. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this recipe with these Portuguese flavors. It's really tasty, very delicious, very nutritious, and it's a great way to include more seaweed in your diet. Thank you so much for being there. I hope you enjoy this recipe. See you next week. Please thumbs up because it really matters to us, and see you next week and have a good life. See you. So good. This really have this Portuguese flavor. Bulhão Pato. So nice. Let's go lunch.